Torrential slide value equivalent to 324.38 rands a coin. The present cost range, 312.05–331.41. The earlier day close, 323.91. The change was plus 0.47, plus 0.15%. Reverse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost 335 rands, high 358, low 312. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost 322 rands, high 345, low 299. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost 365 rands, high 391, low 339. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 369 rands, high 395, low 343. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 332 rands, high 355, low 309. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 342 rands, high 366, low 318. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 347 rands, high 371, low 323. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 388 rands, high 415, low 361. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 387 rands, high 414, low 360. In about 14 days torrential slide gauge on Monday. April, 3, cost 405 rands, high 433, low 377. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 380 rands, high 407, low 353. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 357 rands, high 382, low 332. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost 347 rands, high 371, low 323. Torrential slide estimate on Friday. April, 7, cost 354 rands, high 379, low 329. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost 352 rands, high 377, low 327. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 343 rands, high 367, low 319. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 331 rands, high 354, low 308. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday. April, 13, cost 325 rands, high 348, low 302. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost 340 rands, high 364, low 316. In about a month torrential slide gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost 326 rands, high 349, low 303. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 314 rands, high 336, low 292. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 325 rands, high 348, low 302. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 313 rands, exorbitant cost 415, while low cost 257. Found the middle value of cost 343. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 387, change for spring 23.6%. Torrential slide gauge for April 2023. To start with cost at 387 rands, exorbitant cost 480, while low cost 276. Found the middle value of cost 398. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 449, change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 449 rands, excessive cost 449, while low cost 381. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 422. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 410, change for May 8.7%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 410 rands, excessive cost 509, while low cost 410. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 451. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 476, change for June 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 476 rands, excessive cost 476, while low cost 372. The found the middle value of cost 431. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 400, change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 400 rands, exorbitant cost 400, while low cost 312. The found the middle value of cost 362. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 336, change for August 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 336 rands, exorbitant cost 407, while low cost 336. The found the middle value of cost 365. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 380, change for September 13.1%. Torrential slide estimate for October 2023. To start with cost at 380 rands, exorbitant cost 387, while low cost 337. The found the middle value of cost 367. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 362, change for October 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 362 rands, excessive cost 362, while low cost 283. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 328. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 304, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 304 rands, excessive cost 378, while low cost 304. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 335. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 353, change for December 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 353 rands, excessive cost 353, while low cost 276. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 320. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 297, change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 297 rands, excessive cost 297, while low cost 232. The found the middle value of cost 269. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 249, change for February 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 249 rands, exorbitant cost 249, while low cost 194. The found the middle value of cost 225. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 209, change for spring 16.1%. ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.3083 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3017 - 0.320.